Social studies copy, children. Lesson We Need Food, where you've done the question and answers. And open your register also to a new page. Open your register to a new page. Now, on a new page in your register, listen carefully to what I'm saying, children. Excuse me. Listen very carefully to what I'm saying, because this is what you have to do just now, and send it to me. On a new page in your register, you will write "We need food" and you will write today's date. Okay? Do it quickly. Write today's date and write the name of the lesson "We Need Food." Fazilat, where were you in the last period? I have marked you absent. I have said I will be taking attendance in any class. So please make sure that you all are present for all the classes. Okay. Now listen carefully, children. You will write the first question and then write the answer, right? 1 times. Again you will write the first question and write the answer the second time. क्वेश्चन भी लिखोगे और आंसर भी लिखोगे रजिस्टर में, एंड फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर करके सबसे पहले मुझे यू विल सेंड इट सो दैट आई नो दैट यू आर डूइंग इट करेक्टली. एंड वंस आई गिव यू एन ओके सिग्नल दैट येस यू आर डूइंग इट करेक्टली, यू विल डू द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स. जब हम तुमको बता देंगे कि हाँ तुमने ये क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सही तरीके से लिखा है, देन you will do the remaining question and answers. Okay, Nishkat, switch on your mic. Nishkat, switch on your mic. और मुझे बताओ, मैंने अभी तुमसे क्या करने को कहा है पूरे क्लास से?
क्वेश्चन आंसर
कहाँ करना है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स निष्कट? यस निष्कट, किसमें काम करना है? इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
रजिस्टर.
यस. एंड कितनी बार लिखना है क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स?
1.
No, you are not paying attention. That is why I am asking you to write, to tell me what I had asked. You have to write each question and answer 2 times. But सबसे पहले तुम मुझे question 1 and answer 1 2 times करके सबके सब पोस्ट करेंगे. You will all post it to me immediately. Switch off your mic, Nishkat. Ekagr, switch on your mic, please. Switched on, beta. Did you understand what I had said? तुम्हारी समझ में आ गया मैंने क्या कहा एकाग्र?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, explain. Tell me what I had asked. What have I told the class?
Okay, ma'am.
बताइए मैंने क्या कहा है क्लास को?
क्वेश्चन आंसर भी लिखा है.
और कितनी बार लिखने को कहा है? How many times?
3.
No, beta. For today, it's only 2 times, twice. Okay, switch off your mic. Yatharth, switch on your mic, child. And your camera. Yes, Yatharth. क्लास से मैंने अभी क्या कहा है? Yatharth, your mic and camera is on. Your mic also, please. Yes, Yatharth. Please don't. No one is to answer for Yatharth, and no one is to switch on their camera. Yes, Yatharth. बोलो. Yatharth, I can't hear you. Bring your mouth closer to the mic. Mic के पास आ जाओ.
Question
हाँ.
Read the question.
And बेटा तुम्हारी आवाज़ कट रही है, but you have understood. Write question number 1 and answer number 1 twice and send it to me, and afterwards you will do all the question and answers 2 times.
Ma'am, copy करना.
Again, yes, Nishkat, what are you asking me, beta?
Ma'am, copy select करना.
Yeah, beta, of course. Then only you will be able to write. Na, you have to see from the copy and write. Okay, make no spelling mistakes.
Ma'am, page numbers.
How can you have a page number in a copy, Tasmia? How can you have a page number in the copy? Hussain, you are not writing, child. Yasir, where did you go, child? Don't go anywhere without telling me. You are in school.
Ma'am,
Yes?
question 1, the question
Yes, question 1. You have to write, first write question 1, write answer 1. Then again write question 1 and answer 1 and then send me the image. Okay? उसको जब मैं ओके कर दूंगी तो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस करोगे, क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स करोगे रिमेनिंग.
Okay, ma'am.
Mara Tandon, fast, fast.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम वॉशरूम क्या है?
Loudly, beta.
मैम मैं आई गो टू टॉयलेट.
Naima, go to toilet. When I'm talking to someone, beta, don't disturb. Naima, you can go to the toilet, but don't interrupt. Yes, Ekagra, what are you saying, beta?
मैम वॉशरूम क्या है?
Question number 1 कर लिया है कि तुम्हें आता नहीं है question number 1. You don't have question number 1 with you.
मैम which is the question number 1?
You tell me, beta.
मैम मैंने अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 किया नहीं.
कॉपी में नहीं करा था. एकाग,
ओ मैम.
why, beta? This work we did long time back. That's very bad, beta. You're going to have the tests from the 29th. और आपका काम
क्या है?
करा है ना? Then look for it. See, you have to look for the work yourself, beta, because you have to become independent. Right?
मैम डॉक्टर तुम्हें नहीं किया.
क्यों नहीं कर रहा? मुझे भी तुम्हें काम भेजना है जल्दी से. This is how you will learn. You will learn by writing again and again. Otherwise ऐसे लिख के ऐसे याद कर लेने से काम नहीं चलता है. Quickly write question 1 and answer 1 in your rough register 2 times.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, एकाग्र is asking कि कॉपी पे क्वेश्चन देख के करना है.
Wait. Don't speak for him. Don't speak for him. जितनी बार वो मुझसे पूछता रहेगा मैं बताती रहूँगी. But let him ask the question on his own. Even if I don't understand his question, it's not a problem. He has to keep asking me. हम दोनों के बीच कन्वर्सेशन होना है, हम दोनों के बीच कम्युनिकेशन होना है, नॉट बिटवीन मी एंड द पेरेंट्स. एकाग्र आस्क अगेन. बेटा क्या पूछ रहे थे? बेटा एकाग्र पूछिए फिर से.
मैम मैंने कॉपी में किया तो रफ रजिस्टर में किया.
कॉपी में तो पहले कर लिया था, ठीक है, क्लास वर्क. अब वही कॉपी में से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 उठाओ, रफ रजिस्टर में लिखो कॉपी से देख के, ठीक है. फिर कॉपी से देख के आंसर 1 उसके नीचे लिखो. देन अगेन राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड देन राइट आंसर नंबर 1. ओके बेटा, जितनी बार नहीं समझ में आता है पूछ लिया करो, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बताने में. इट्स यू हु शुड अंडरस्टैंड, राइट. चलो करो, काम करो, फटाफट करो बेटा.
Excuse me, मैम.
यस बेटा.
मैम चैप्टर नंबर 1 कर रहे हैं या फिर चैप्टर नंबर 2?
अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 को 2 टाइम्स करके मुझे भेजना है. सबसे पहले तो ये काम करना है. ओके चलो.
Excuse me, मैम.
पूछो. यस बेटा.
मैम चैप्टर नंबर 1 का क्वेश्चन करना है.
मी एंड माय फैमिली.
ओके मैम. मैम चैप्टर 1 वी नीड फूड.
Beta, we are talking. What are we doing? We are doing social studies.
Yes.
Sorry, children. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. The first chapter is. It's very confusing actually. We need food. Yes. And the first question is, why do we need food?
Ma'am, what are the food items we have for breakfast, lunch and dinner? We have breakfast in the morning. We Ma'am, why do we need food to start it?
Please wait, children. Please wait. Wait, children. Wait.
Ma'am,
Just a minute, please wait. Give me a minute, children. The first chapter is we need food, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the first question is
What are the food items? What are the food items we have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
just a minute. Let me check my work better. Definitely, if you have written that, it must be the first question. Just a minute, children. Yes. What are the food items that we have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? We have breakfast in the morning. We drink a glass of milk. We eat bread and butter, eggs, fruits, idli, upma, and poha. Number 2, we have lunch in the afternoon. We eat rice, chapati, vegetable, pulses, fish, chicken, and salads. Number 3, we have dinner at night. We eat rice, chapati, vegetable, and pulses. This you have to write 2 times and send to me, children. Quickly. While you are writing the question and answer, children, read it loudly so that you can understand what you are writing and you are able to pronounce it. Had you been in class, I would have not made you read loudly, but at home, you have to read loudly so that you are able to learn it. Ashvi, feeling sleepy, child? Go drink a glass of water, Ashvi. Ashvi, go and drink a glass of water. यथार्थ पेरेंट्स, आप इसका कैमरा सीधा कर दीजिए. आई एम अनेबल टू सी हिम. इसका साइडवेज पिक्चर आता है, सो प्लीज सेटल हिज कैमरा. Yes, this is better. Now I can see him clearly. Abdullah, I can't see you on camera. That means you are not writing. You are not doing your work, child. Vidushi, I can't see you on camera. That means you are not working. At the moment, you all are writing from your copy, so there is no need for the camera to be switched off. Ayansh, अपना camera settle करो बेटा. I can see your fan, but I can't see your face. Yes, now this is better. Now I can see you. Tasmia, you also. Abdullah, your camera should be switched on. See, children, when I see your faces, I enjoy. I like to see you all as if we are in class. अच्छा लगता है तुम लोग को देख के कि हम लोग क्लास में बैठे हैं, right? So your cameras should be switched on so that ma'am can see you all. Abdullah, if you are not on camera, it means you are not in class. Ishkar, Tasmia, you are playing. You are not doing your work, child. Tasmia, please write.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 टाइम लिखना है 2 टाइम
2 times. You have to write it twice, child.
ओके मैम मैम लास्ट तक लिखना है
Hmm?
मैम लास्ट तक लिखना है
Answer number, question and answer number 1, 2 times लिख के you have to send it to me in the group, on my personal number, right? Only once. Oh, sorry. Only question number 1 2 times. Only question number 1 is to be written 2 times. Right? Only two. Question number 1.
Ma'am,
Yes?
I have not done.
2 times?
Yes, ma'am.
Send it to me, please.
Okay.
You don't have to say, ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, my aunt is foggy.
Beta, you don't have to say I have done. You just have to send it to me. I've been repeating again and again. Send, send.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is this spelling?
What is the spelling of
Ma'am, what is this spelling?
butterkey?
Yes, ma'am.
Butter. Butter. Okay, children, continue with your work. And only a question and answer to make it.